Welcome to our tutorial on how you can be managing your store on Wangu Wangu. So before that, I want to highlight that this store has got a lot of features for you and a lot of benefits. So the first one is the orders feature. So in the orders feature, that's where you find different statuses of your product. So we have pending, confirmed, processing, ready for delivery, item on the way, delivered, refunded, scheduled. So these, if you have, so when we go on all, we see those ones that are pending, those ones that are confirmed, processed, and also those ones that are ready for delivery. So the ones that are ready for delivery is you set the status as a store owner. Once you've packaged your item and you want to send it, to send it to the client. From there, we have the flash sales. The flash sales is where your products that are on flash sales, you create a list to say, okay, these are products that I want to be on flash sales, and then you list them, and then they will be so visible on the other end of the user. And then we also have categories. So for categories, they are set by the admin. So currently we have different categories. We have e-commerce, we have arts, we have sports, home and deco, those that are dealing in electronics and all those things. So these are the categories that you're going to have, and everything that you're going to be selling from electronics, clothes, all have been catered for in here. And then not only that, we have divided them also into subcategories which fall under different categories. So like we have embroidery and these other categories. You are able to create a campaign, a base campaign or an item campaign. So an item campaign maybe would be you have shoes that you've got, the latest shoes, or maybe latest laptop that you've gotten, or maybe latest product that you've started manufacturing. We can advertise it on this platform using item campaign. Then we have the coupon section where you create a discount coupon for somebody, or maybe for a client that has been buying from you for too long, or a client that has been consistent with your store. So you create a coupon and then give them a discount as you wish. And then we have banners. So banners can be considered as also one of marketing ways on this platform. Once you create a banner and then request for it to be marketed from the admin, then once you submit, the admin will approve your banner and then to be shown by more than 1,000 users on the store. And then you have store configuration. You adjust uh, the information about your delivery time. And also we have about your shop. This is where you get the information about your shop, and then you have the wallet. The wallet shows your transactions, so you don't have to ask yourself how much did I sell from this platform, how much did I make, how much did I withdraw, how much do I still have to that is pending. So the system already has that, and you'll be able to monitor all those things. And then payment method, instead of not having a clear payment method, we have a mobile money payment method and also a cash on delivery payment method. Reviews are very important when you're dealing with clients. That's why we've added this feature. So the reviews will help you to get reviews from clients and also improve on your products, if it's delivery time and the quality of products that you get. And also chats, you're able to initiate conversations with different admins of the system. And also we have expense report. This is about how much you've withdrawn and how much you've earned. That's why you get this report. And then you have disbursement report, how much you have withdrawn or received on your end. And also we have employee role. So there are different roles that you can assign. If you have an accountant that you want to be monitoring, if you have maybe different shops that you want to be monitoring, and then you have somebody, maybe a manager or a director for your shops, you can create them in here, and then they can have their own dashboard. The same with employees. Those employees that you have in your store, if you want to be monitoring them, or you want them to also be monitoring your store, you can add them here, and then they will be managing your store, and then everything will be good. So the good part about this system is that it has simplified the process of you every day posting items. You can have a log of your items on our platform, and clients will be coming and clients will be buying from you anytime, And even when you are sleeping, even at 24 hours, the client would want to buy a product. They can just buy from you, and then if at 05, you can just wake up and then package it up and then deliver it to them in the time. And moreover, the delivery is done by us, so you don't have to worry about anything. You just set the say the product is ready for delivery.